Today we go to put on the polyurethane on the floors, and these ladies did a wonderful job. Not being professionals, none of us are here, but with what we had to work with 100-year-old floors, their sense of style is to exactly what they want in the building. I think they made great choices. The dark floors look fantastic. When you add the dark fireplace that they have here, and then they take the white walls and things like that, it really makes the place stand out. It looks really, really good. Then they have the color that they've ordered, the paint, it's on its way, that they're going to use on the radiators. Hopefully you can see through the sun here. Let's get it down. But these radiators are going to be a rose gold when they're done. And then all the other salon items and things that they have. So overall, I think it's going to be great. Now we're going to come in today and put on the polyurethane, like I said, and we've got a satin finish. So I'm going to start stirring that and getting it ready for the application to see how it goes on. We're hoping it hides some of the flaws, but overall this should be very serviceable. You know, in a salon they use a lot of dyes, and when those dyes get on the floor, typically you go in a salon apparently and the floors are a mess. They're stained and they're a little bit lousy and kind of hard to keep care of. So we're hoping that the efforts that we made here will make a big difference, but there'll be more. I'll set up the time lapse and we'll get an idea as to how fast and how well this polyurethane goes on. Okay, it's the second coat of polyurethane. As you saw, we sanded this. Light sanding on the first coat of polyurethane to take down the nubs. Now we've got the second coat on. It should dry satin. I'm gonna lock it up. This stuff really stinks, but we just got good word, it looks like, from the county that the salons can open up in phase 2. Presumably that's June 1st. Let's see if they're allowed to do business on June 1st. So more from Jade and Rose as we go along.